Hey guys, I'm back, and thank God, because it's October, and I haven't, talked to you guys in a while, but this is the talented Mr. Fridge. Do not look at the stains in my fridge. Do not look at the hair in my butter shelf. I'm so sorry. Something I need to say about this piece of butter is that it's really been in my fridge for about probably almost a year. And it tastes like my fridge now. So everything I cook kind of with it tastes like my fridge. So I'm trying to get through it. Probiotics for women. Biotin. Controversial. Does this work? Don't know. But not, sound off in the comments. Olives. Mustard. Harissa. Hot sauce. Same, this dressing, that's so gross. I don't know what to do with it, but it's still here. Kind of nice that it's still here. This is a bottle of soy sauce that I've had for a while, and one thing I will say is that sometimes we get sushi takeout, and the extra little packets of soy sauce that they give you, I'm want to pour them into this bottle of soy sauce too. Milk, whole milk, heavy cream. Been using that sometimes. A little thing of eggs. Oh my god, just sick. So cute, because I literally made cupcakes the other week. That is a little tiny thing of jam that I got from a continental breakfast in Boca Raton this summer. Those are some little tomatoes. This is my new yogurt. I love buying this new yogurt. Here is some homemade vegan Caesar dressing I made. Here's some miso. Here's some Parmesan. Here's some cream cheese. Yeah, I'm not vegan. I just make vegan Caesar sometimes. These are some new tomatoes I just bought. Oh my god, these are 2 Caesar salads I made for me and Kyle for work tomorrow. This is my coffee and then my backup coffee. There's one. So Kyle and I are in a little bit of a standoff over who's gonna eat this one piece of bread before we move on to the new loaf. Romaine, spinach, some mozzarella cheese I use to make pizza. Chickpeas. This is baked eggplant rigatoni. Oh my god, don't look at the crumbs in the bottom of my fridge. Cucumbers, pickles, quinoa, the bread I was talking about. Oh my god. Kale, what? I went over to my friend's house the other day and he made kale chips to put in soup, and then when I was leaving he was like, do you want this bag of kale? And I was like, yeah. And that back there is a little bit of extra buttercream frosting. Oh my god, it's not buttercream, it's actually cream cheese frosting. I hate buttercream frosting. Here's my drawer full of bags. And something I don't usually do is bring you into the freezer, but my new favorite thing that I can't live without, and that I'm just obsessed with, is these frozen blueberries. They're kind of expensive, but they aren't called blueberries. They're called Moonlight Serenade. Anyway. I'm so sorry about my voice. I was sick, and I'm getting better. So anyway, this is my fridge. It's October, Fridgetober. Show me your fridges for Fridgetober. I love you. Bye.